Welcome back to the channel, you guys. If you haven't seen my video on me installing these micro box braids, head on over and watch that video before you watch this video, because this video will be all about styling the micro box braids, and you gotta know how to put them in before you style them. So moving right on into these styles, I want you guys to keep in mind that these styles should be worn maybe a week after you get your braids installed, because you want to make sure that the tension is off of your hair as much as possible. So if your style is freshly done, you may want to go with just having it down for a week, and then we can move on to doing other styles. So the very first style we have is the style that I'm wearing right now. Having it straight down, you can do a side part to the other side. I prefer my hair to lay to my left, but sometimes I want to switch it up and I bring it to the right. You can bring it to the other side, and then also and do a middle part. So I purposely braided my hair to where I could wear it in the middle part, and like I bring this side behind my ear, or I bring both sides behind my ear, or I just keep one side. In order to like complement my face, I just bring one side to the back, the sides before my ear, and then put the rest behind my ear. I keep this side down, so you know, I look a little bit better. So moving on to the second style, we are going to pull these bad babies up, honey. And you don't need a scrunchie or anything for this. I personally don't use scrunchies or rubber bands or anything for my braids. Go in the middle so like the ponytail can stay placed where those braids are. Then wrap this around. And once I get up here, I do it to the side because I don't want this part to stick out. I pull on this little loop right here. I bring this in. I pull it. And now I have a ponytail. Now, I obviously would do my ponytail a little bit better if I was wearing it as an actual style, but this is just for video ideas for you guys. All right, so moving on to the third hairstyle. We are going to do, you want to take your thumbs, maybe 2 to 3 braids back, keep going up, keep going up, keep going. We're going to do a half up, half down. I don't really wear half up, half down, but I see it going on a lot. So you want to do the same thing that we just did with the average ponytail, and bring it through to the side. And now you have a cute half up, half down style. Alright, so the fourth hairstyle we have today, personally one of my favorites, split it so I can have a part right here. And I put that behind my ear. Then I bring this side over, make sure that it's straight. Go here. And then I bring all of this over here. I may leave a sideburn, a braid. I'm gonna put all of them over here for now. But I put all my braids over here. The ones in the front, I try to keep them like as a bang. And I pinch a few braids at the bottom. I do the wraparound method that we've been doing this whole video. And now we have a cute little side ponytail. Sometimes I split it in half and put a few to the back, a few to the front. So the fifth style we have will be similar to the half up, half down, but not quite. So split them down the middle, take a small section and keep this down right here. Now, when you do this style, you can either do twists or you can do braids, but to save time, I'm just twist it back. Alright, so now you have a cute little style. I don't even know what to call this. It's just something I thought about. With these micro box braids, they are so versatile. So if you're thinking about getting these braids, I highly recommend. They also last way longer. So moving on to the sixth style. You're just gonna take that one side down and leave the other side up, and boom, that's your sixth style. Like y'all really can do so much with these braids. We'll move on to the 7th style, a halo braid. Again, I don't feel like braiding y'all, but I'm gonna do it this time for y'all. I may need a rubber band now. So you're just gonna put the end in a ponytail and take it to the back and tuck it. Now, for the braids that are sticking out like this, all you're gonna do is just tuck them. You can also use bobby pins for this process as well, because some of them not going to stick in without a bobby pin. We'll take a bobby pin and just stick them everywhere I see fit. All right, so moving on to the 8th style, you guys. We are almost at 10. We're going to keep it split down the middle, and we're going to further split it in the back as well. And we are going to start right here, right at the middle part. Then you're gonna have braids stick out, but it's just all about tucking. And when you're doing this style, you want to make sure that you're twisting away from your face. Boom, you got 2 beautiful twists that will keep your braids out of your face, out of your way. All right, so moving on to the 9th style. We're gonna split off the top. Leave the bottom, bring all the hairs to the front, and we're gonna twist, kind of sort of like the halo braid. Find a place to tuck the rest of the braids. Now again, you're gonna need bobby pins to pin down all of those sticking out, and it gives a vibe like you got a hat on. This style is a little bit more funky. I like it, especially this side. This side is really cute. So moving on to the last style, and I saved this style for last because I'm definitely about to hone in on my business stuff. You know, I want my hair out of my face. I'm gonna just take this behind my ear, take this little section right here, give it a little twist. Real simple, cute, to the point, not much, but you know, you still can step out and be a bad if you want to. So that is the last style, you guys. If you want me to do another video like this with other styles, then go ahead and comment below and let me know. If you are new to my channel and you like what you saw, go ahead and subscribe so you can get more videos. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post another video. Make sure you DM me on Instagram at A Dancer's Touch. Connect with me, talk to me. I want to talk to you guys. I don't want y'all to just sit there and watch me. I want to engage with you guys, so please engage back with me. And again, if you haven't saw the video of me actually installing these micro box braids, go ahead and head over to that video, and I will see you guys in the next video.